In today's video, we'll teach you how to create a counting animation like this. Open the Alight Motion app on your phone. Then, start a new project, select the size and choose a green background. Click on the plus icon at the bottom, then click on text and type 0. Choose white as the color and set the font to Open Sans Extra Bold. You can set the size as you like. Now click on the layer, then click on Effect, search for the Count Up Down effect, and apply it. Here, add and adjust the keyframes as needed. Click on Graph and apply the graph. Now your counting animation is ready. Click on Export at the top to export the video. Now we will add a golden color, which looks quite engaging. For this, first open the CapCut application, click on a new project, and add your counting animation. Click on Remove BG below, and use the chroma key to remove the green screen. Then, click on Overlay, and add the golden effect. Next, click on Splice, and select the Darken Splice option. Now the final result looks something like this. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.